Hello traders, Igor here, MrTOPTICK.com. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, consider subscribing, liking this video, share it with someone. Today I want to talk about a way I like to adjust trades that I have on when they're not necessarily working the way they were meant to work. In this specific example, we are looking at a broken wing put butterfly in Caterpillar that was taken with about 30 days until expiration, and now in the final 10 days before expiration, we're not quite profitable, so I'm going to make an adjustment to make this trade a little less risky and could potentially return a significant amount of profit relative to the risk in the trade. Let's have a look. We're taking a look at another trade. We are in a put broken wing butterfly in Caterpillar. Stock's currently trading at 227.43. We are long 230, 210, 200 put butterfly. Our cost was $5.20. So original risk was $520 per one spread. This trade is currently going for, it is now trading for about $4.80. So we're down about $40 or 40 cents per one butterfly. We have 10 days until expiration. We've been in this trade for 19 days. The underlying has not moved and implied volatility has risen just a little bit. Now we can go back and look at a chart. This green dot represents point in time where we took the trade. We were looking for a breakdown as we were underneath the 8 EMA. That did not happen. We actually saw a 1, 2, 3, 4 days. The underlying has moved against us, pulled back a little bit, tried again, failed. I'm not going to call this a triple top, but there's definitely a significant amount of resistance above about 239, 240. We've been pulling back last couple of days, and now not only do we lose the 8 EMA, we are now trading underneath the 21 EMA. I think we have some more room for the downside, potentially a retest of the rising 50-day moving average. There's also a gap underneath 207 all the way down to about 199.5. We don't know what happens. One thing I do know is that we have only 10 days left to be right in this trade. My goal right now is not to be right, but to remove as much risk out of this trade as possible and leave room for more profit potential. So I've looked at a couple of different adjustments, don't really see anything I like. However, I do have one way that I like to adjust these kind of trades. So this is a 1-2-1, which is a standard butterfly, except the difference here is in the widths of the strikes. So I have a 230, 210, that's a 20-point wide put debit spread, and then we have a 210, 200, that's a 10-point put spread. This makes it a 30 by 10. What I would like to do here is I would like to sell to close the long options. So selling to close the 230 put, selling to close the 200 put. This is going to leave me with 2 of the $210 puts naked. I don't want to hold these puts naked. So what I would like to do is I would need to replace these 2 puts with another 2 puts. And the 2 puts that I'm going to replace it with are in a December 30th expiration cycle with 24 days to go. Placing these puts right at 210, which is the same strike, is where I am short 2 of the puts, the original 2 puts. This will make it a out of the money put butterfly. And doing such adjustment, this is what risk profile would look like. So this green line is the new risk profile after making the adjustment. I am going to collect, could be $2.90, could be $3 of credit. So my original risk goes from $5.20. If I collect $3, my risk will be somewhere around $2.20, maybe $2.30. So I will have risk both on the upside and on the downside. My downside risk really kicks in underneath 195. My upside risk is anything above about 226. So inside of the next 10 days, I need the underlying to be somewhere inside 226 and 195. For right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell to close the long options in the December 16 expiration cycle, and I'm going to buy 2 puts in the December 30th expiration cycle at 210 strike. I'm going to try to get in for about $2.90 credit. I will pull risk out of this trade, and then inside of the next week and a half, if we're somewhere around 210, this could potentially be a very profitable trade. Worst case, if the price or if the underlying runs away from me, my losses will not be as great if I was to leave these options, which are part of the broken wing put butterfly, unadjusted. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, like this video if you did enjoy it, and as always, take care of the risk. The profits will always take care of themselves.